Good morning. You want to say hello? Good morning. Oh, she flipped right over. She's like, I sure will say hello. Hi. Hello there. Pretty girl. Okay, so, oh wow, it's like super bright now. We are going to clean this bedroom. It's really dark. But also, we're going to take the Halloween decor out of here. I have some pillows that I need to take the liners off. I need to buy some new liners. It was so hard for me not to buy pillows the other day when we went to Hobby Lobby because they were half off, so they were about $15, which is fine. But I know that I can get four. I can get 4 liners for that, around that same price. So I'm gonna wait. But are you okay? It's early in the morning. We haven't even had anything to drink, have we? No. Alright, so we're going to clean up this bedroom and the 2 bathrooms that we have. And then later on today, in the other 2 videos, I have a Simply Earth DIY box that we're going to do. So that'll be the next video. And then the last video today will be undecorating the living room, which is going to take us a while because they have a Christmas tree up. So let's get into it.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh,
I may leave this here because Christmas is also magical, and I am doing like I'm doing traditional colors, but also with a lot of gold and black. So we'll leave this here because I think that will go just fine with the Christmas decor. Also, I've already been using the soap because I ran out of soap in this bathroom, and I got this at TJ Maxx. It is so cute. Alright, so I got this bathroom cleaned up, but I do need to, well, I've got the decor. I do need to actually pick up this little countertop real quick.
Leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say, you're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
Alright, so the bedroom is done. Got that cleared off. I've just been hoarding, basically, on my new Christmas decor right here. And I kind of did decorate it a little bit because I just wanted to play around before we start decorating. But it's going to be so much fun to decorate for Christmas because I told y'all I wanted to go through those bins anyways and kind of declutter what I don't want. So it's going to be fun to like see all the Christmas decor I do have that I forgot I had. But also, look how cute this is. Let me focus it in. Hang on. Come on. It is not... Oh, well, there we go. Okay. So pretty. Like all the little pieces of snow. It's hard to see it when it's the sun's hitting it. There we go. That is so cute. So cute. Alright. And the bathroom is done too. Oh, I forgot to put this back in Aaron's thing. But we had to pull the heater out. She's barking at a UPS truck. And I said, Chloe, it's a UPS truck. And she's like, I don't care. I'm still going to bark at it. It's not for us, though. They did not. Oh, my gosh. Okay. I'm taking this down now because if I don't, I'm going to forget. Been there since August, I'm pretty sure. Look, her little shirt is totally faded now. Okay, well, that's funny. It is such a gloomy day today. I like the gloomy. Well, I like the rain. Anyways, I could go back and foggy. What am I saying? Blurry. We got one more bathroom to go. If you missed Friday's videos, I undecorated the kitchen already. Alright, this is filling up. This is actually just our laundry basket, but I did not have another basket to use. So I'm hoping that when I go to decorate, that I can just use like an empty bucket. Okay, here we go.
That was what I needed. The more I felt, drowning it down. Needed to see a way out somehow. Give me a reason. Give me a change. Give me something to love. At least something I can make sense of. Give me freedom. Give me faith to ease my heavy heart. Just some energy to feed.
Alright, that is it for this video. I did want to show y'all to remember to come back at 1 o'clock Eastern time today. And we're going to be doing this right here. I'm so excited. So this is the kit that I got for the month of November. It's available now. Oh man. Okay, so there's so many recipes in here. There is we're going to make all these, by the way. Candy, lip balm, winter joy bath salts, DIY air dry clay diffuser ornament. Oh, okay. Oatmeal cookie sugar scrub, forever thankful roll-on, gift diffuser blend. So we're going to try a lot of those, but I'm so excited because it came with these little cute jars right here, and then it's so easy to use because it has all the recipe cards, and like it has the stickers, these little things right here. It's got the tags so you know what everything is, especially if you want to gift some of these, because this is like great for Christmas time, because it's got the candy cane, lime, winter spice, and cassie oil. I'm so excited. So come back at 1 o'clock. We will talk more about this, and we will do as many of these DIYs as we can fit into like a 10-minute video. So I hope y'all enjoyed this short video, and I will see you back here very soon.